Nigeria's tax system is changing. From January 1st, 2026, Nigeria's entire tax system will never be the same again. A sweeping reform is coming, one that affects you whether you're a freelancer, a small business, or a multinational. Miss the playbook, and you risk penalties, delays, or even overpaying tax, but master it, and you'll unlock compliance advantages, faster refunds, and peace of mind. Stay with me, I'll break it down step by step. Welcome back to AmosFinance. I'm your host, John Hawk. If you want clear, actionable insights on finance, policy, and markets, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss updates that could save your business. Let's dive into what this means for you. What's new in the 2026 tax reform? Here's the headline. In June 2025, President Tinubu signed 4 major tax reform laws, consolidating scattered tax rules into one Nigeria Tax Act, introducing stronger tax administration, mandatory e-invoicing, and new global minimum tax rules. Effective date, 1st of January 2026. This isn't just a tweak, it's a transformation. Let's break down the pillars. A unified tax identification number (UTIN) will replace multiple tax IDs, linking to your NIN and BVN for a single taxpayer profile. Personal income tax bands are now more progressive, easing the burden on low earners and increasing it for high earners. Freelancers and gig workers will pay a flat presumptive tax, making compliance easier. Companies' income tax is tiered, micro-businesses are exempt, small businesses pay less, and large firms pay the standard rate. All tax filings and payments move online, manual submissions are out. Foreign digital service providers must now register and remit VAT, leveling the playing field for local businesses. These changes aim for fairness, efficiency, and a digital-first tax system. This reform touches everyone. 1. Individuals. For workers, freelancers, and traders, it means your income and invoices are more traceable. Payee stays, but e-invoicing becomes the new normal. Keep digital invoices and reconcile your tax with your TIN. The benefit? More clarity, fewer disputes, and faster refunds. Individuals may see more take-home pay, but with UTIN linking all income sources, full disclosure is a must. Freelancers and gig workers will find taxes simpler but can no longer operate under the radar. 1. Small businesses. For SMEs, you'll soon be required to issue electronic invoices for VAT. It sounds like extra work, but it actually reduces bookkeeping errors and makes your business look more professional. Small businesses benefit from tax relief but must digitize their records and processes. Companies. Medium and large firms will face stricter administration but also smoother refunds. This is the best time to upgrade your ERP, train your staff, and run trial filings before January. It means tighter digital tracking and must ensure compliance with new VAT and transfer pricing rules. Multinationals. And for global players, Nigeria is aligning with global minimum tax and controlled foreign company rules. That means new top-up tax risks, tighter transfer pricing, and permanent establishment scrutiny. But with early modeling, you can restructure and reduce unnecessary exposures. Foreign digital service providers must register for VAT, changing the competitive landscape. The era of tax loopholes is ending. Transparency and compliance are now non-negotiable. Whether you're an employee, entrepreneur, or executive, adapting to these rules is essential. The new system rewards those who prepare. Preparation is key. Here's the winning strategy. Individuals, confirm your TIN is active, keep digital records, and issue proper invoices. Check your NIN and BVN details, and be ready to register for your UTIN as soon as the portal opens. Gather records for all income sources: salary, freelance investments, rentals. Small businessy, choose an invoicing app now. Don't wait for the last-minute scramble. Register with the Corporate Affairs Commission, open a business bank account, and start using digital accounting tools. Larger companies, run a compliance gap analysis and pilot your e-invoicing system. Integrate your systems with the new First Portal, review your tax structure, and train staff on digital compliance. Multinationals, model your global effective tax rate and tighten transfer pricing files. Everyone should consult a tax professional to understand obligations and optimize for the new law. Do this, and instead of being caught off guard, you'll be ahead of the curve. Early action prevents costly mistakes and penalties. The sooner you adapt, the smoother your transition. Don't wait, start now. Here's your roadmap to January 2026. Now through October 2025, gather information, review your records, and attend first webinars. October-November. Register for your UTIN, set up digital accounting, and test the new First Portal. Small businesses. Ensure all 2025 transactions are recorded digitally. Corporations. Run trial submissions and finalize compliance strategies with your tax advisor. December double-check records, reconcile ledgers, train staff, and organize documents for your first filing. January 1st, 2026. Go live with confidence. The new law takes effect. Every transaction must comply with digital requirements. VAT and payroll must follow new guidelines from day one. Your first filing under the new system will be in 2027 for the 2026 year, but compliance starts now. Preparation now means confidence later. The 2026 tax reform is a reset for Nigeria's economy. Digital invoices, stronger enforcement, and global rules will reshape how you do business. We've covered the new UTN, progressive tax bans, digital filing, and what it means for everyone. The message transparency, digital adoption, and proactive compliance are essential. Use this window to prepare, sort your IDs, digitize records, and seek expert advice. Don't wait until the last minute. Early action is your best defense. See this as an opportunity to modernize and thrive, not just comply. The future belongs to those who prepare today. In our next episode, I'll reveal the top 5 tools and apps Nigerian businesses can use right now to get e-invoice ready. You don't want to miss that. Subscribe Vertical Bar like Vertical Bar, comment. Are you ready for 2026? AmosFinance, where insight is turned into action. Thank you for watching. Start your journey to compliance now.